ever wondered why the body starts attacking itself? जब हमारा शरीर हमारे ही खिलाफ हो जाए, हमारे ही अगेंस्ट हो जाए, हम पे हमला करे, ऐसा कब होता है? Mostly in the cases of autoimmune disorders, rheumatoid arthritis, lichen planus, vitiligo, psoriasis, Hashimoto's disease, many other 80 plus autoimmune disorders are there when the body starts attacking itself. And this is not about a disease of our skin or of our joints or of our thyroid. This is much beyond. When the body is trying to tell us something and it is much more deeper. What is it? It is our own stress, our bottled up emotions, our conflicts, which we have been collecting, accumulating, carrying since years and years and years. Now, most autoimmune diseases begin when our immune system becomes hostile, confused, and starts attacking its own self, own cells, own tissues, own organs. And this confusion, this hostility of our immune system is due to what? Our own suppressed emotions, our fears, our grief, rejection, shame, so many kinds of internal conflicts which we have been fighting within. And all the battles which we are unable to fight outside, our body is fighting that particular war, that same war inside our body. So, अब करना क्या है? We need to consult a good homeopathic qualified physician. और उसने क्या करना है? Now, homeopathy is not going to take care of your pathological manifestation, that disease, that particular disease, which is on any part of your body. No. It is going to take care of you, your emotions, your response to stimuli, how you perceive and how you choose to respond to any kind of situations, your patterns, your sensitivities, and according to all of these, a case will be worked out and a perfect simillimum remedy will be selected which will be unique to you. और वो रेमेडी क्या करेगी? Now that particular remedy is going to correct that particular imbalance, that inner hostility, that particular conflict, that misfired immune system. All of those will be corrected. All of those will be brought to balance and a harmony will be restored. और तब जाके वो जो वॉर है जो अंदर में चल रही है वो खत्म